Look at the size of these ones. These cocks. Whoa. This can probably beat a small kid in a cockfight. Uh, Human fight also. Wow. So here we are in the David Scott Trail, and here's the small kitten, and here is Joss from Netherlands. Joss, how do you like it?
Yes, very nice.
Yeah,
It's great.
it's pretty local, right? Very local and very
This is very
natural.
local, yeah. But yeah, I really like it. It's beautiful here.
Yeah. This guy here is making Maggie for us. That fellow is doing some local chores with some Western music playing in his pocket. Yeah, good mix of modernity and village life.